Hi everyone, welcome back to The Sensational Crafter, where creativity and money saving meet. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you another holiday DIY. These laminated coasters are so fun to make, so easy to make, and they even make a nice little keepsake after the holidays are over. They only take a few simple items to make, and they can be made in just a few minutes. So if you want to see how to make these DIY coasters, keep on watching. So for this project, I'm starting off with some paper doilies. And you're going to want some things to decorate those doilies. I'm using some old gift tags, but you could really use whatever you have on hand, even if that's just some holiday stickers. For this, I'm also going to need a glue stick to glue down my tags to the doilies. And you're also going to want some either Sharpies or colored pencils or just something that you can use to draw and decorate your doilies. Last but not least, a pair of scissors. Once you've got your decorating essentials together, you're going to also need some thermal laminating paper. I'm using the Scotch brand for this, but you could use any brand. And last but not least, the most necessary tool to help all this come together is going to be a thermal laminator. I am using the Amazon, I believe it's Amazon Basics thermal laminator. I will leave the link in the description box for you guys, along with the thermal laminating pouches. Now let's jump into this DIY. So I'm just going to start off by taking out a few doilies, and we're going to plan out our designs here. And I'm going to be decorating some of these by hand with my Sharpie markers, but in addition to that, I'm also going to be using some leftover gift tags. They say, remember, Christmas calories don't count. And then I'm just going to start drawing out some designs. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to keep it simple, but this is the part where you can just get super creative, you guys. And you can draw and decorate to your heart's content. This craft is so fun because it's really something for all ages. Adults might find it fun, children will definitely find it fun, and it also makes a nice little keepsake once the holidays are over. If you guys decide to make these coasters, I'd love to see the designs you all come up with. So if you do make them, please post a picture on Instagram and tag the Sensational Crafters so I can see all your wonderful creations. Now that you've got your designs made, it's on to the laminating process. So you want to make sure that you turn on your laminator and let it warm up. And if you're using the laminator I'm using, it's going to show a red light when you first plug it up, and then once it's ready to go, that light will switch to the green light and it will say ready. And if you flip the laminator over on the back, you will also see two settings, one for 3mm and one for 5mm laminating pouches, and I'm just going to be using the 5mm setting. So now, as you can see, I'm just taking out one of the laminating sheets and I'm just going to open it up. It opens up just like a book, and I'm going to place the doilies in between the two layers. Once you've got your doilies arranged where there's a little space apart, you're just going to flip the laminating pouch closed and we're ready to laminate. And as you'll notice, there is a side of the laminating pouch where the two layers connect, and that is the side that you want to place into your laminator first. So we've got the green light, it says ready. We're just going to go ahead and place the laminating pouch in and watch the magic happen. It technically only takes one pass to get these laminated, but I really like to do two because it just comes out so much neater after the second one. And once you're done, you just want to make sure you turn off your laminator, and we're going to go ahead and cut out these coasters. There you have it, you guys, your completed coasters. All that's left to do now is pour up your favorite hot beverage and put them to good use. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, hit the like button. It helps a ton. And if you'd like to see more creative content like this, click subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. And until next time, my crafters, have a sensational day.